Alright, let's get started. I've just added a video clip and an audio clip to my timeline. Highlight the video clip and click on Text tab, then click on the three dots on the right-hand corner. Locate the Transcribe Sequence option and click on it. By default, the settings are pre-selected, but you can explore other options. There is an option to caption only audio clips with the dialog tag, as well as a drop-down menu to caption only specific audio tracks. Once you're ready to caption your audio, select the language you want your subtitle to be. Then click on the Transcribe button. Please note that it may take some time to transcribe, as the software needs to generate the file from the internet. After the transcription is complete, click on Create Captions to add them to your video timeline. If you want to make any changes to the captions, such as editing a mistake or adjusting the text distribution, double-click on the caption you wish to modify. To change the appearance of your subtitles, select all the subtitle clips on the timeline. This action will automatically open the Essential Graphics panel. In the Essential Graphics panel, you can format your text according to your preferences. For example, you can change the font of your text. Once you are satisfied with how your subtitles look, you have two options for exporting them. Option 1, go back to the text panel and click on the three dots. From the options provided, choose to export the subtitles as a SRT, text, or CSV file. Option 2, export your video as usual. In the Export window, navigate to the Captions tab. Here, you can choose to either burn the captions directly into the video or create a separate sidecar file. Congratulations! Your video now has perfectly added subtitles. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.